Meanwhile, the Department of Trade and Industry says there has been little change in the prices of Noche Buena products. It says most of these products cost almost the same as last year. Bernard Tan with the details.
The Department of Trade and Industry is warning the public to watch out for groceries and supermarkets which will overprice on Noche Buena products this holiday season. Some of the Noche Buena products in the price monitoring of DTI: ribola, pasta, cheese, and milk. DTI said that store owners usually overprice on these primary commodities this holiday season. The public is always advised to monitor the price adjustments done by DTI on the news and via online.
Pwede rin po tayo mag-complain mismo sa may-ari ng grocery supermarket kasi sila po ang may pananagutan nang sa ganoon ang mga produktong binibenta sa mga supermarket, groceries, convenience store ayon po sa mga SRP ng mga manufacturer o SRP po ng Department of Trade and Industry. Sila po ay aming katulong sa pagpapairang ng presyo.
In the start of December, DTI will also place posters and banners on supermarkets and groceries where consumers can monitor the actual price of primary goods.
As we go into the Christmas holidays, ang DTI po ay meron po tayong mga guide prices ng tinatawag po natin mga Noche Buena products.
DTI also reported that the price of Noche Buena products last year is almost the same this year, except the price of ham, which increased by 5%. In the event that we experience or witness a price abuse in Noche Buena products, this is the DTI 24/7 hotline where we can file our complaints, 751-3330. For People's Television, this is Bernard Tan reporting.